Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how to reset a Verizon Fios DVR box. So here's a guide for reboot, restore default, and fix its freezing problems. Method 1. Restart the DVR box. Step 1. Turn on the DVR. Make sure the DVR box is powered on. Step 2. Unplug the power cable. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the DVR or the wall outlet. Step 3. Wait for 30 seconds. Leave the box unplugged for at least 30 seconds. Step 4. Plug it back in. Reconnect the power cable. Wait for several minutes while the DVR restarts and reconnects to the Fios network. Step 5. Check the TV. Once the home screen or live TV appears, test your channels and recordings. Method 2. Restart using the Fios menu. If the DVR is responding, press the menu button on your Fios remote. Open Settings, select System or Customer Support. The menu name may vary by DVR model. Choose Restart, STB, or Reboot. Confirm the restart and wait for the DVR to reboot. Method 3. Factory Reset if it is available. Open Settings menu, go to System or Device Settings. Select Factory Reset or Reset to Default if available. Confirm the reset. If the DVR still isn't working, make sure all HDMI, coaxial, or and power cables are securely connected. Try a different HDMI cable or TV input. Restart your router if the DVR relies on network connectivity. If the DVR displays an error code, look up the specific code or contact Verizon support for assistance. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.